How to invert colors in Snapseed. So first open up your Snapseed app, then select the photo that you want to invert. So I already have selected some photos right here, but if you haven't selected it yet, just simply click on the plus icon here on the middle to select one. And here I'm going to select this photo. Now once you're here on this part, just simply tap on the tools option here on the bottom right. Then you will see the option of curves under the adjust and correct right here on the top right. So tap on curves. Now what you want to do now, you will see this graph right here that you can edit out. So you just simply need to invert the opposite ends of the line right here. So from the first part, I'm just going to drag this circle or the end of the line up to the very top, then the other one up to the very bottom. And as you can see, it will automatically invert the photo, or it will automatically invert the colors of the photo. Now once you're done, just simply tap on the check mark here on the bottom right to save your changes. As you can see, the color has been inverted, and that is how you basically invert colors in Snapseed.